Hey guys, it's Todd.
And Susie, I'm here too.
Yeah, from Hey Grill Hey. And today we're cooking pork tenderloin. It's a garlic honey glazed pork tenderloin. It's delicious.
On the grill, done in like under 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Super good.
Let's go.
Pork tenderloin is one of the easiest things to cook, and I love having a couple of recipes in my back pocket that I can bust out and change up the flavor profiles without too much work. This is one of those. So drizzle with a little bit of avocado oil, season with some of my beef rub, or you can just season simply with salt and pepper. But if you love us, then grab a bottle of beef rub because it tastes really good, and you know.
You love us.
You love us. It's good to support the creators you like. Season with the beef rub. We're gonna be cooking these on our Weber charcoal grill. You can cook them on whatever grill you have at home. We're shooting for an overall temperature of about 350 degrees. We wanna cook these through without overdoing it on the heat straight out the gate. Now these are a relatively quick cook. At 350, it'll probably be 15 to 20 minutes that they're on the grill. We'll flip them every couple of minutes so that they cook evenly. Thanks.
You got that.
4-ingredient glaze, super simple, tons of flavor. Honey.
Yes? Oh, sorry.
Some really great fresh minced garlic. I like to use my microplane grater to just grate the whole cloves into tiny little shreds. Some soy sauce. Oh!
Susan.
I was used to the honey being really thick. And some Dijon mustard.
I'm guessing you want to stir it?
Yeah, stir that up. Try not to spill the soy sauce like I did. I'm gonna get you a paper towel. Okay, so with the pork tenderloin getting the seasoning from the beef rub, flavor from the grill, and then this sweet and savory based on the outside, it's like nothing sauce in terms of ingredients or effort, and it's gonna be maximum flavor.
Nothing sauce?
Yeah, like zero effort. Let's check on our pork tenderloins. Now we're looking for like 135 here, like I mentioned. Pork is beautifully finished around 145. Yeah. That means it's time to glaze. So what we want to do is grab our beautiful glaze that we made. I'm going to pop them over the direct heat coals there at the finish because I really want this glaze to kind of like shellac on the outside of these pork tenderloins. And I'm just going to baste, flip, and baste and flip until it's nice and tacky and coated on the outside and that 145-degree finish. We got to let these guys rest.
So lusty.
So we gotta let these guys rest for a couple of minutes before we slice into them, and then we can try some.
Fine.
He's just waiting.
Have you sufficiently rested?
Look at no bags under their eyes. Very patient with the children. They are well rested.
How would that be?
How would that be? Sounds nice. Okay, so we like to cut our pork tenderloin against the grain. The grain runs in long strands this way. We want to shorten the strands by cutting them into medallions. You can go as thick as you would like here. We usually do about 3/4 of an inch thick.
Do you go angle or
You
straight?
can, I just go straight down.
I try to go angle, and I always end up just being straight up and down.
Okay, well then just start straight up and down. But we should have a nice rosy pink in the center. This beautiful, crispy, crunchy crust that we built on the outside with this glaze. It's like equal parts like charred bits and saucy and sticky. All right, it's the favorite time of the video. It's taste test Todd time. Are you ready? So simple, so delicious. Sweet from the honey, char from the grill.
What she said.
Savory from the soy and the garlic. This is an easy one to throw together for a super quick weeknight meal. I have a feeling your family's gonna love this one. You can grab the printable recipe at heygrillhey.com or you can find it in the Hey Grill Hey app. We'll see you guys next time.